Alright, so we're back with the Basher Rocksta. I've got some new tires for it. I got the idea off of an RC Crawler forum thread, which I'll put a link to in the description. They're actually off of this toy tractor here. It was like 10 bucks at Toys R Us. And the tires that come with them are these grippy, big tractor tread tires. So yeah, they're like obviously on this before, but I took them off. There was a guy on there, I can't remember his name right now, but he said it's actually pretty good grippy rubber, so I went and got one, and it actually is. It feels pretty grippy, so I'll try it out. I tried it on the stock spare rims of the Rocksta, and it actually didn't fit very well because the inside is smaller than the outside, and even the inside was a little big on the rims, and they're super wide. So I ended up just designing some 3D printed rims here. Nothing too special, just, I don't know, something I designed real quick. And I actually ended up going with about 0 offset, or I think that's what it's called. So yeah, it's gonna be super wide. I think probably as wide and as big as you'd want to go on this thing. So yeah, the tires feel grippy, the tread looks good. I got these 4 rims 3D printed up, so I guess I'll glue them on and then we'll see what they look like after. Okay, so here's the Basher Rocksta with the tires glued on. Kind of butchered the gluing like usual, but I think it looks pretty good. It's looks mean, looks big. It's wider now due to the rims being, well, flat. Like there's no, I forget if it's negative or positive offset, but there's none of it, whatever it is. So yeah, it looks good, I think. These tires look meaty. They feel pretty grippy. I'll have to take a little test drive sometime and try it out, but yeah, here's how it looks. And this is the 3D printed Baja Bug body. I think I made a video on that. Maybe I'll toss a link there too, but yeah, I like these tires. They look good. At full turn, you see, still got lots of room. That's why I had to make the rims on the way they are, with the no offset. Oh, another thing, there's no foams in these because they just came with a kid's toy, like you saw earlier. But they're pretty thick, I guess. I don't know if that's the right word, but they don't need foam. They got lots of I don't know, structure keeping ability by themselves. So yeah, I think these will be good in like mud or snow, perhaps. More flotation type, maybe sand. I know it's a rock crawler, but you can drive it anywhere. I have the Scrambler off-road tires, which are more skinny and a little bit taller, perhaps. And that's probably what I'd use for actual rock climbing. So now I got kind of tires for both scenarios.